The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall. I am here again, big up and respect to each and everyone. Now in this video I'm going to talk to you about something that happened within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. And I want to say big up and respect to each and every one of my viewers and subscribers within Trinidad and Tobago. Or big up on yourself, is it? Alright, now with that, I am going to present to you a piece of an entire video that is out on social media, and according to what had been said about that video on social media, it is said that members of the Trinidad and Tobago police service raided a party that was being held somewhere within Trinidad and Tobago, you see me? And it is said that the police of Trinidad and Tobago raided the party on the 22nd of November 2020 in the Sunday morning, you see what I'm saying to you? And I read a news article about the incident, you see me? And according to the news article, it is said that more than 200 persons had been arrested. And a part of that news article said that police commissioner of Trinidad and Tobago directed that they all should be arrested and charged for paragraph 4D of the public health coronavirus legislation, you see me? So I'm just telling you according to what had been said in that news article, you see me? And I also saw different videos circulating on social media about the incident that happened. You see what I'm saying to you? I saw a video where it is said that the video shows when members of Trinidad and Tobago police service entered the party and was shutting down the party and so on, you see me? And you know, I saw a video where it is said that the video showed what was going on in the party, and you know, another video where it is said that the video show when someone was trying to escape from the police. And you know, there are other videos out there as well, you see me? And I also saw pictures as well, viewers and subscribers. But anyways, you know, I'm going to present this piece of video to you so that you can have a better understanding as to what I'm talking about, you see? But before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright, now here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
Good morning, we are live here at River Branch Street, Kelly Village, Caroni, where officers of the Special Operations Response Team stopped a party sometime around 4 a.m. this morning. We have so far been told no arrest has been made. There are officers on the scene still. This is the furthest we can go. If you can't see the Jeep, unfortunately, you can't. That guy in the white jersey there is somewhere around there that the party was being held. This was since 4 a.m. this morning. It's now after 8. I was told that there were at least 100 arrests. I'm not seeing any evidence to maintain that claim. Yeah. This is the Only Too Wicked bus. As you can see, it's empty. Officers are on the periphery keeping guard. My walking in, I was hearing reports of men being beaten. I heard reports of one person being shot. Still trying to ascertain the veracity of that situation. What we do know for sure is that there was a party at a private residence earlier on this morning. Officers of the Special Operations Response Team responded, stopped the party. It must have been a large party because since 4 a.m. this has been going on, and it's now after 8 and there are still party goers leaving the venue. From what I understand, some people in a bid to escape ran through a ravine to the back of the building. I saw evidence of that on some people's clothing, mud stains. What I have noticed is that a lot of the party goers are unmasked. It seems as though the regulations are completely being flouted. I haven't seen any police officers address that, and I suspect it's because the number of partygoers stirred the number of police officers, just to maintain some sort of peace in the area, not to look to arrest or ticket those who are unmasked. Now, this was touted as the arrest of some gangsters early in the morning, and as you know, the anti-gang legislation is no longer, well, will no longer be in place as of the 25th of November. So it was touted as though it was a last-minute dash to arrest gangsters, which meant police would not only have had a couple of days to make arrests, they would have had a couple of days to lay charges. And from my recollection, 2 to 3 days is not enough, has not been enough to lay charges against people who have been arrested for gang activity. And I'm sure you heard that in the background there. Police officer is asking for masks. You're now starting to see it being enforced. The non-compliance is a $1,000 ticket. I've seen sneakers here that worth way more than $1,000. So I'm pretty sure that plenty of people who are in attendance could probably afford to pay the $1,000 fine for not wearing a mask. So yeah, we're having some compliance now with the mask. Again, we're here at River Branch Road in Kelly Village. Now, as far as I understand, police officers don't have the authority to remove tint. That is a purview for licensing officers. But they do have the authority to penalize you in the form of a ticket. So a lot of people take the option of removing the tint rather than receiving a ticket. So we have this gentleman here who I suspect was part of the party as well, being ordered to remove his tint by an officer of the Special Operations Response Team. Again, this operation began somewhere around 4 a.m. I'm told. There are reports that some of the patrons of the party were quote-unquote abused by police officers. I have had no confirmation of that, nor have I had any denial of that. There are reports that one person was shot. My information is that they are uncertain as to who would have shot the person. I've received no information about his injuries, the seriousness of his injuries. All I was told is that there was a loud explosion, and there's reports that one person received a gunshot. So now they're in full compliance with masks. Again, some people in a bid to avoid the police when they made the raid, they ran and some fell into a nearby ravine. I saw evidence on this on several people's clothing that is now mud stained. They didn't seem to mind their clothes being dirty.
Alright, so there you have it, viewers and subscribers. You don't know me, Dancehall. I'm only there so to keep you up to date and posted and let you know what's going on. You see me, you can let me know what you think about this whole thing, where it is said that members of Trinidad and Tobago Police Service raided a party that was being held somewhere within the country of Trinidad and Tobago. So what I'm saying to you, yeah, many comments have been made about this incident on social media, you know. Many comments have been made on social media about this incident, is what I'm saying to you. And yeah, you know, different, alright? But anyways, here's where I'm going to leave it. So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. And my name Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.